Safety.
Hello there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Cursive Capital Letter Writing. Today, we're going to learn how to tackle a letter that is super vibrant like a victory dance. It is the capital cursive letter V. Shall we learn how to write this by looking at kitchen tongs? But wait, why the tongs, you ask? Well, today we're going to channel our inner detective and learn how to write the cursive letter V by looking at the kitchen tongs. Look at these tongs. Let's start at the top left. We will start a little to the left of this point. Draw a little curve to the top left of the tongs. From this point, we will draw a slanting rightward line to the bottom of the tongs like this. And then we will swoop back up to the top right like this. And then we will make a loop around the top right corner like this. And that's it. Here we have it, the capital cursive letter V. Shall we try doing this in between the lines in our notebooks? Come on. We will start at a point between the top red and the top blue line. We will draw an upward slanting line to the top red line. And from this point, we will swoop down to the bottom blue line by making a rightward, downward slanting line. And then from this point, we will swoop back up to the top red line by drawing an upward slanting line. And then to finish it off, we will loop it up like this. And that's it. Here we have it, the cursive capital letter V. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep spreading that handwriting joy.